In 2022, construction began of what would become Arise largest wind farm to date. 42 turbines,
220 meters of height.
Annual energy production of almost 1 terawatt-hour.
Kölvallen is a unique project, not only because of the complexity of the project, but also the fact that it is the most efficient renewable project we have seen in Sweden so far. My name is Per-Erik Eriksson. I'm the CEO of Arise. It is with great pride I can conclude that the Kölvallen Wind Farm now is in operation. After 10 years of development, including 2 full permitting processes, challenging construction conditions with turbine installations during winter time, Kölvallen stands as a prime example for what determination and skilled partnerships can achieve.
I would say every project has some unique challenges, and the outstanding challenge on Kölvallen are the restrictions in the environmental permit, restricting us from working certain periods of the year. So from March 1st to June 15th, we're not allowed to do any construction work. So with that loss of valuable time, you can say, we've really needed to optimize the program and really make sure that we stick to the times we've set. So quite early on, we saw that we would have delays in the turbine delivery. So to counter those delays, we took a decision early on to take in a 3rd crane. That, of course, puts a lot of stress on the site with a lot more coordination and a lot more activities going on. We saw that that was absolutely necessary to also allow us more time. With good efforts from everybody at Arise, we managed to get an exception for a part of the site to be able to continue work into this restriction area. Looking back in retrospect, those 2 measures were really key to actually completing in the time we did, and also to keep it on budget. We worked really close to both main contractors. So Svevia is the one that spent the most time there, constructing roads, hard stands, casting the foundations. And of course they've faced challenges along the way, and just having that good relationship that we've had throughout the years, being able to have an open dialogue has been really good in achieving the project.
It is during construction that the environmental impact is greatest. To protect the environment, we marked sensitive nature and culture areas, applied technical solutions to avoid sediment in streams, and paused construction during the bird nesting season. This way, we minimized the impact while still progressing with the project.
We have chosen to reinvest and acquire 9% ownership of Kölvallen. This is in line with our strategy to grow our IPP business and thereby creating shareholder value.
The operational team started already during construction phase to be involved in the process, in the project, taking over responsibilities, getting to know the project. Even though all energy projects generate emissions during their life cycle, the climate impact from Kölvallen is very low. Calculations show that the total emissions from construction, operation and decommissioning are offset by just 4 months of production. After that, the wind farm delivers almost carbon-free electricity throughout its lifetime. The project have good wind resources, so approximately 40% of full load hours. That will give the project above 900 gigawatt hours of production every year.
Kölvallen is a proof of Arise's commitment to long-term sustainable development. It strengthens our position as a trusted partner in Europe, and it shows also that we have the ability to deliver projects on budget, even at challenging conditions. Now we look forward, focusing on our journey to grow Arise in our selected markets across Europe.